welcome to another lesson of today. So today we'll have to continue from where we ended the sixth lesson of you having an international driver license or of you having a driver license. So today is another video. I'm going to teach you things you need to know inside the vehicle. So I have teach you things to check in the car. I have bring you many lessons. So today I just want us to study the next lesson, which we call the pedals. The pedals, we are talking about the pedals of your car. The pedals are those that you use your legs when driving in the car. So today we'll be talking about the pedals. So the first pedal or the first transition we need to study this night, I want to teach you the pedal of automatic vehicles. So automatic vehicles, they have just two pedals. We have the accelerator and we have the brakes. Those are just the two pedals that you can see in automatic vehicle. Then in a manual vehicle, you have the pedal, you have the accelerator, you have the brakes, and you have the clutch. So let's take first example, looking at the pedals of automatic vehicle. So looking at this pedal here, this is an automatic vehicle, and here we have just two pedals. We have the accelerator and we have the brakes. The accelerator and the brakes. So those are the pedals that when you enter in an automatic car, you will see only just those two pedals. You have the accelerator and you have the brakes. Those are the two pedals you will see in automatic car. So if we are working with the manual car, you will see the three types of pedals. We have one, you see the accelerator. Two, in the middle, you will see the brakes. And three, we will see what we call the clutch. And the clutch is one of the most important pedals in every vehicle. So in your exam, if they may ask you which is the most important pedal in a vehicle, you say it's the clutch. So the clutch is the most important pedal in the vehicle. So what is the work of the accelerator? Accelerator here is to accelerate the car, to make the car move. That is the work of the accelerator. You give fire for the car to move. The work of the brakes, the brake to stop the car. Then the clutch is used to neutralize the car or to free the car. So if you want to go, you make sure you press the accelerator. If you want to stand, you make sure you press the brakes or the clutch. So in the next video, I will be bringing you things you need to learn when we talk about the stopping distance and the braking distance. So that one I will still be bringing you in the next lesson. In the next lesson, the braking distance, when we are talking about the braking distance, when we are talking about the stopping distance. So I will still be coming on that. So today I just want us to focus our mind or our head on these three things we see in the car. They are most of the important things in the car, because without these things the car cannot move. So we talk about the accelerator is to make the car go. We talk about the brakes is for you to brake and stop. Then we have the clutch. The clutch is there for you to neutralize the car. So those are the three things that you will see in the car concerning the pedal. So now when you enter in your car, there are things you need to know, but I'll be bringing you in the next lesson the first thing you have to do in the car. So you know the work of the pedals. You know that in the pedals we have the clutch, we have the accelerator, we have the brakes, and we have the clutch. And in the vehicle, we do not have to cross our legs. Our legs do not have to cross each other. So the first thing when you enter in your car, your right legs are working on the accelerator and the brake. Then your left leg is working only on the clutch. Only on the clutch. Only on the clutch. You do not have to cross your leg in the vehicle. So I just want you to study, know what you are doing. We have the accelerator, we have the brakes and the clutch in a manual car. Then in an automatic car, we have the brakes and the accelerator. So I just want you to master these things. In the next class I will be teaching you the function of those things. This one I just want you to understand, know this thing, the clutch, there's the clutch, the brakes and accelerator. Those are the things that you need to know. So I just want you to subscribe, make sure you follow all the lessons, because I will be treating them one after another. So this one I just want to teach you just about the pedals. You should know the legs that you should be using on the accelerator, you should know the legs that you are using on the brakes, and you should know the legs that you are using on the clutch. So thank you guys, see you in the next video.